intensity, especially the first half, our intensity was very good. Tempo was good. And our wing play was excellent. Good. We created quite a few chances from wide areas. But it was just about the final touch. I thought we dominated 90 minutes of the game. They had a couple of chances here and there, but our dominance was superior. I'd say that we're still a work in progress. Opening game of the season, and definitely there's room for improvement.
You seem
defended very, very well, especially when you're playing against a low block. We managed to penetrate and get a couple of chances. I was impressed with the team's performance.
Of course, it's still early in the season, but you seem very solid in defense and in midfield. Is the attack maybe an area of concern?
Yeah, we've got to polish up the attack. At times in football, you've got to put your body on the line, to try and get a goal. And we need to improve in and around the box. But otherwise, I'm not going to complain much. Disappointed about the result because we should have taken maximum points. But we have another day and we start preparing for our next game.
Yeah, I think obviously when you look at the procedures of the game in terms of chances, like a chance that we created, we thought we could have worked out. But look, it's the beginning of the season and we're still gelling, combinations trying to come up, but we're happy to have probably claimed the point. Still at the flow of the game, we managed to diffuse our opponents. We knew their strengths and we tried our opponents to play to try and make sure we hold them and then to try and beat them on the point. At that point, I think a point away from against a seasoned team, a very competitive team, I think it's not bad.
Coach, one of the wrong to say you were really playing not to lose the match, other than maybe the zeal to collect maximum points?
Okay, one would say that, but when you look at the clear-cut chances that we created, we could have scored 2 goals. I think the third one could also gone in by the substitute striker who came in and just failed to hold on in terms of strength. We could have gone 3. In that point where you're saying we were trying to avoid defeat. But well, a point away from home is not bad.
Of course, a new side, a totally different team from that played last year. Lots of youngsters that have come through. Your comment on that?
Indeed. Very, very, very young players. It's a new side. We are aware we lost a number of players who went to other greener pastures, so to speak. But look, football is all about trying to identify new talent, people that can still offer something new.